friends, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing a whole bunch of like festival inspired, Coachella inspired makeup, and I just wanted to do one myself because it looks really fun. I've already done my foundation, my bronzer, and my like kind of transition shades on my eyelids and my eyebrows. This Bite Beauty Agave lip mask on. I found this glitter and I wanted to use it. Alright, so I'm gonna start with highlighting my cheekbones because that is where I'm going to put the glitter, is right there. I'm just gonna take a fluffy powder brush with Fix Plus, this pink shade right there, highlighted. And then I'm just gonna circle it on the cheekbone and also up toward the eyebrow, just like that. And then it's giving like, oh my god, that's beautiful. Okay, I've never used this with like Fix Plus, so I was not sure what to expect, but damn. Okay. I'm just gonna take a little down the nose and chin and a little on the forehead. I don't really want the forehead being shiny. And then trying to hit I'm just gonna tap the Cupid's bow with my finger, which this is gonna be really pigmented because my brush is wet when I touch the highlighter. We're gonna go ahead and take this Katy Kat palette, and this is the cool toned one. It's called Cool Cat. This shade right there, the white, and I'm gonna dab that on my cheeks as well. I'm just really trying to get a super white highlight going. Diffuse it with the brush. NYX glitter primer, and dab it on this whole area. So I'm gonna dab, and then I'm gonna take my glitter, pick some up, and dab it on. By the way, this is super messy if you're going to use the technique that I'm using. Like super messy. Oh, I love it. Okay. And this is the Maybelline, what is it, Lasting Drama from Eye Studio waterproof gel pencil. It is amazing. Like, it's definitely waterproof. When I swatched it on my hand, it lasted, I literally swatched it on my palm too. It lasted all day, and I washed my hands. It was still there. So it's pretty crazy. It's pretty good. Just that one there. I'm gonna get the shadow on and then spray some Fix Plus on it. And I'm just dabbing it on top of the white liner. And then if you need to go in for more eyeshadow, you don't need to spray the brush again because it should be already wet from the first spritz. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take a black eyeliner. This is just the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is my go-to everyday staple eyeliner. And I'm gonna really thinly line the lash line. Okay, and then I'm gonna line my water lines with some black liner. I think I'm gonna line the lower lash line with this, so the water line and the lash line with the green. It's just from NYX, and it's called, let's see, Aqua Green. Also under the waterline into the lash line as well. And I'm trying to make it pretty thin. Okay, so what I'm thinking about doing is a black cut crease. And then I'm going to highlight the inner corner with that white. I'm just taking the same pinkish highlighter shade I used before. This small pencil brush, this Surfin' USA shade from Sephora. And I'm going to go under, just on the outer corner, under the eye where that green is, just to give it a little gradient-y color, like, yeah. So I think I'm going to take this white and fill in the rest of the area that is under the cut crease. First, I'm going to take the white shadow and set that eyeliner, whatever. Okay, so I just kind of thickened up the liner a little bit on the cut crease. Now I'm just gonna do some little face details with my Lasting Drama. This part I would really recommend a liquid liner for. I just don't have a white liquid liner, so I'm just gonna draw like a straight line down my nose, down the cupid's bow, and down the chin. Oop. Gonna set it with the white eyeshadow again. Or mascara, then lashes. So that's the packaging. Gonna try to stick these lashes on. Those are gorgeous. They're perfect with this look. Okay. Hashtag obsessed. Alright, and then I'm not even gonna put mascara on these because they're so beautiful. I feel like it'll just clump them up and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to give you two lip options because if it was personally me going to Coachella, I would not want to wear like a lipstick all day, even if it's long wearing or liquid lip. I wouldn't want to wear it all day just because I'll be drinking stuff and eating stuff and it'll be hot out and it just doesn't sound like a process that I want to go through is keeping up with my lips. So the first option I'm going to give you is for that. This is called a Lip Plumping Transforming Top Coat, and my fiance and I call it the Unicorn Gloss. It's from Ulta, and it just adds like, see that? Oh, it's beautiful. And I actually applied too much probably, but it just like, and even on top of any lipstick, but just by itself, it looks gorgeous. I love it. The second option is going to be an actual color, if you're just extra like that, which I am. So I lied. I'm going to give you three options. So This is the second option. This is NYX Sway. And then the third option, I think is going to be my personal favorite. This is Disruptive, also by NYX. I've used it in another tutorial recently, but it just really goes with the colors I'm using. So this is a final look. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to any awesome music festivals this year, and if you are, and you're doing like some crazy fun festival makeup, and even if you're not going to a festival, link your festival makeup down below. I'd love to see like your guys' creations and what you guys come up with too. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you really enjoy it. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.